Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send mass GIFs from Google Sheets to WhatsApp. Now this is a very beautiful, very amazing and very useful automation, and you should learn it by heart because it will come very handy for you. Now what we are going to use, Google Sheets, Cloud Convert and WhatsApp to do this. How we are going to do this? Let me just give you an example. I am giving an example of Happy Holi because Holi is coming here in March in India. So I'm giving you an example with a GIF of Happy Holi. So what I'm going to do, I am going to get a GIF in one of my Google Sheets. Then I will have my second Google Sheets where I will have all my contacts to whom I am sending this Happy Holi GIF message. Now, I will use a Cloud Convert to convert the GIF format into MP4 format because WhatsApp API does not support GIF and you cannot send bulk GIF messages through WhatsApp API. So we are going to convert GIF into MP4 and then we are going to at last send all these GIFs to our members in the Google Sheets on their WhatsApp number. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Sheets, Cloud Convert and WhatsApp together. Now if you want to learn this amazing and useful automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what do we have to do? We just have to go to the address bar and type in PABBLY pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this beautiful web page, and here we have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. Signing up is absolutely free. So if you do not have an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And after clicking on sign in, I will just go for login. And now you can see these are my software. So here I'm just going to go for Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here what I'm going to do, you can see I have a new dashboard here where I have so many automations already made. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button, Create Workflow. So let's just give it a name. And what I am doing here, I am integrating my Google Sheets to WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm just giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now what we are going to do here, you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what are we doing here? First, we are going to take the Google Sheets. Now, which Google Sheets are we taking here? We are taking here that Google Sheet where we have our GIF image which we want to send to our members or to our customers or to our friends. So what you have to do, first you have to go to that Google Sheets and you have to connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Google Sheets account through this webhook URL. Now how to do that? You can just copy this and you can follow these instructions here. I am not reading it all because it is very long, so you can read it later on. I am just going to show you how it's done. So this is my Google Sheets from where I am going to take the data or take the GIF, and this is my GIF. Okay, let me show you this GIF first. This is the GIF which we are going to send, Happy Holi. Okay, because Holi is coming, so I am using this one. So here what you have to do, first you have to go to extensions and you have to go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. If you do not have this Pabbly Connect Webhooks with you, what you are going to do, you are going to go to add-ons. You will click on get add-ons. Then here you are going to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. When you will search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, you will see you will have this extension here. If you do not have in your system, what you have to do, you have to install it. I have already installed it in my system, so I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to cancel this and I'll again go back to extensions. And here you can see the C column is my last data column. Now I am telling you why am I telling you this. I will go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then I will go to initial setup. Now what I will do, I will just copy this webhook URL from here and I will go and paste this webhook URL here in this webhook URL field. Now here you can see we have the option of trigger column. Now, what is the trigger column? So trigger column will always be the last data column of your spreadsheet, because the last data column will be responsible for triggering your data into Pabbly Connect, and it will send your data from Google Sheets to your Pabbly Connect account. So here my last data column is C. So I am going to take C and then I will click on submit. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go back, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup again. And now I am going to click on send test, and as soon as I will click on send test, you will see the data will be sent successfully to our Pabbly Connect account. So here you can see we have our data and this is our GIF URL. Okay. And now this is our spreadsheet from where we are taking our GIF URL. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add another Google Sheets in which we have all the contacts of the people to whom we are going to send our WhatsApp message through, send our GIF message through WhatsApp. So we are going to click on get rows here. And now we are going to click on connect. After this, we are going to click on add new connection, and I am going to add new Google Sheets here. So I'll just go for Ashirai. And now I have already connected it so many times. It will also ask you for the authorization. You have to give it the authorization to make your automation successful. And don't worry, Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Now, what we are going to do, this is my Google Sheet where I have my GIF, and this is my Google Sheet where I am sending all the messages, GIF messages to the people who are present here. So I am taking this sheet Pabbly Connect family. So I'll go here and I'll click on Pabbly Connect family. So it will take the sheet Pabbly Connect family, and here it is written select sheet candidates. So here the name of the sheet is candidates. Now what we are going to do here, it is asking you for the range. So you have to select the range of the Google Sheet to which part you want to send the data to. So here you can see our sheet is starting from this row, which is A2, and we want all the data till D column. Okay. So we want the data from here till here. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to specify the starting row, which is A2, and then we are going to end it with column D, so that whenever we are going to add new people here, what will happen? The holy message will also be sent to these new people as well. Okay. So we are going to select our range from A2 to D. Okay. So A2 row to D column, we are going to use this. Now we are going to click on save and send test request. And as you can see, it has given you all the entries here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But while we are setting up our automation, we cannot use all the entries. We have to set up our automation only using one entry. So what I am going to do, I am just going to turn off this simple response button, and I am again going to click on save and send test request. So what will happen? This data will be converted into the array format. And now array format is a format which is not properly readable or writable. So what we are going to do, we are going to add another step here, and we are going to use one more very good feature by Pabbly, which is iterator. Now what will iterator do? Iterator will simplify this array format, and it will give us the response in separate rows. So it will give us the first row, then it will work on second row, then it will work on third row. So here we are going to get the first row only first. So here you can see this is our first row. Raj Sharma, raj@red.com. This is mobile number and this is educational qualification. So here name is Raj Sharma, email is this, mobile number is this, and this is the educational qualification. So we have successfully connected our both the Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we cannot send GIF images to our WhatsApp through WhatsApp API. So what we are going to do, we are going to use one more application here, which is Cloud Convert, and we are going to convert our GIF file to MP4. So we will go here and we will click on convert a file, connect, and I'll connect my Cloud Convert to Pabbly Connect. Here it will ask me for the authorization, and it will ask you also for the authorization. So you have to authorize it. And again, I am going to tell you that Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data is absolutely safe. Now it is asking me for the file URL. So what I am going to do, I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, which will let me map the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. in this window. Okay, so file URL, I am just going to put the file URL from my spreadsheet row, first spreadsheet, and this is the URL, GIF URL. Now input format, so input format is GIF, and output format is MP4. So we are going to select MP4 and we are going to convert it into MP4. Now I am just going to give it the file name. So here you can see the title is Happy Holi. So I am just going to give it the name happyholi.mp4. happyholi.mp4. Okay. And now I will click on save and send test request. Now, as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you can see the data status here is waiting. Now, why is it waiting? Because the Cloud Convert is converting the GIF file to MP4 file. And that is why what we are going to do, we are going to use one more feature by Pabbly here, which is delay. So it means whenever we are using delay, our message will be delayed for particular minutes. Now you can see here delay for minutes and how many minutes you want to delay for, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put in 1 minute. And I think 1 minute is more than enough to convert a small GIF file into an MP4 file. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this delay here and then we will click on save and send test request. So you can see here it is written that it is delayed for 1 minute, which means we will get 1 minute to convert our GIF file into the MP4 file before sending it to anyone. Okay. So here we are done with this delay. Now let me go here and let me go here and check. So this is my dashboard. So now I will go to jobs and here you can see the job ID is this and 2 minutes ago it has been finished 2 minutes ago. So our delay for 1 minute is cool and it will work. Now what we have to do after this, we are again going to add one more step. And now what we are going to do, we are again going to use Cloud Convert now. And now we are going to take the details of our job. So we are going to choose get job details here. And again, we will connect to the same account here. And now it is asking you for the job ID. So here is your job ID. You can see this is data task 2 job ID and this is your job ID here. No, wait a minute. Okay, I'm sorry for my mistake. This is not our job ID. Let me just go up. And this is our job ID. Data ID is our job ID, friends. So we are going to select this one, 0B1E4F5F. Let me just go here. And let me just map in the job ID by using the same technique mapping. So this is our data ID. This is our job ID here. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have our data ID here. This is our data ID 0B1E4F5F -- and here you can see the data status has been finished, which means we have successfully connected our Pabbly Connect account to our Cloud Convert account, and also we have converted our GIF file to MP4 file successfully. Now we are just going to go for our last step, and our last step is our last action step, which is WhatsApp. So let's just go for WhatsApp. And here we are going to click on WhatsApp by 360 dialog. And here in action, we are going to select send template message. Now I'm going to explain you what is template message and I am going to explain you why we are using it. Let me just click on connect. So what we are going to do, we are going to go for add new connection. Then here what you have to do, here you have to paste the domain. So this is your domain. You can just copy it directly and paste it here. Okay. And now API key. So from where you are going to get this API key, you will go into your 360 dialog. Here you will go for WhatsApp accounts. After going to WhatsApp accounts, here you will have an option to go for the API key and it is still loading. So let's just wait for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here you can see I have this option for generate API key. So you can just click on this option and generate a new API key and then copy that API key here in Pabbly Connect account. Now I already have connected my account, so I'm not just going to regenerate again my API key. So I'm just going to select my existing connection, and here you can see this is the final WhatsApp connection. Okay, so I'm just going to save this connection, and now let me tell you what is this send template message. Here you can see in WhatsApp account, here is you can see an option for manage templates. So when you will go for manage templates, you have to create these kind of templates if you want to send bulk SMS to, sorry, not SMS, bulk message from your WhatsApp to different people. So for that, you have to create these kind of templates. Let me just give you an example by showing this one. So for this, you have to create different kinds of template, and you can create these kind of templates, which I'm going to show you. It's taking some time. So here you can see this is one of my templates. Hi, then body field 1, and I can put whatever I want to put here. A quick message from body field 2 to say your appointment on body field 3 at body field 4 has been successfully booked. If you need to reschedule, please call this. See you soon. So this is the kind of template that you are going to make if you want to send messages through your WhatsApp. And first you will send this to Facebook. And from Facebook, you have to get it authenticated. Once Facebook will authorize your template, after that, you can use that template to send messages through your WhatsApp. Now, this authorization can take, 5 hours. It can also take 1 day. It can also take 2 days. So you do not have to panic. If your template is correct, you can just go and apply so that Facebook can authenticate it. And also, if you are, if you have made the template in a correct form, Facebook will authenticate it in few minutes only, or I should say few hours only, and you'll be able to use that template very easily in your WhatsApp. Now, how you are going to add a new template? So you can go to add template, and here you can create a new template by giving it the name by using these fields here. And if you want to use image, you can use media and interactive option also. So this is the way you are going to make your template. Okay. Now let me just go back to my Pabbly Connect, and here let me just click on save. So now you can see I have this template already here, Zoom_meeting_reminder_ button. Now I have already explained you about template. So what I am going to do, I am going to select a different template here, which I have made for this and this special workflow only, and this is send_GIF. So let me just show you this template. This is our 360. Let me just refresh it. Okay, Control+F, send_GIF. Okay. So this is my template, send_GIF. And here you can see this is the header video URL, which means this is the URL of our GIF, and then hi, and then this is the name, then the purpose, body field 2 from, and this is my name where I have to put my name. So this is how you can make a template and get it approved from Facebook, and then can use it to send messages through your WhatsApp. So let me just close this one. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect. So this is my template. I do not want to put any name, do not want to mess up with this namespace here. Language code is EN. So recipient mobile number. Recipient mobile number is the mobile number which we will get from Iterator. So here you can see this is the mobile number. And to send the message on WhatsApp successfully, we have to use this plus sign and the code 91 for India. You have to use the code for your country, to whichever country you're sending the message to. Okay. Now here we have to put the header video URL. So we are just going to map in our header video from this 6th one. So just search for URL here. Data. Okay. So this is the one, data task result file 0 URL. So just post it here or map it here. And now body field 1. So here we have to put the name of the person. So name of the person is, just take it from Iterator, Raj Sharma. And here what you have to put the title, not the title, the message. So message was this: Happy Holi to you and your family members. May this festival make your life more colorful and beautiful. Okay. And here in body field, I'm just going to write my name because I am sending the message. So Arpit Kumar Sharma is my name. And my friends, we are going to see a magic here. And this magic will be the magic of automation. So let me just show you here. This is my WhatsApp and it is completely empty. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And here you will see I have a message here which is saying message ID is this, Meta API status is stable. And now let us just go to our WhatsApp and see what has come. So here you can see I have successfully sent this message. Hi Raj Sharma, happy Holi to you and your family members. May this festival make your life more colorful and beautiful, from Arpit Kumar Sharma. And this is the message. And look at those kids, how beautiful they are and playing Holi. So this is how you can send GIF messages by converting them on your Cloud Convert, and then you can send it to WhatsApp or through WhatsApp to all the people, and by using Google Sheets. So my friends, I have successfully taught you how you can use Google Sheets to send GIF messages on WhatsApp to people, and you can do this very easily. I have taught you everything. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll explain you everything. Again, not a problem at all. And if you want to copy this beautiful workflow, you can just clone it from my description box. For cloning, you need to have an account on Pabbly Connect, and to do that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now, my friends. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.